Uh, so I'm just changing out my kids' car seats, and if this doesn't convince you, you need the Smart Elf car seat protector. I don't know what should. I mean, look at this seat. I mean, it is truly disgusting, and I don't know why I'm showing you, but this is what it prevents. My kids do sometimes eat in the car, not generally, but it's hard to prevent. And this is all the mess that it prevents your car seat from getting. But also, too, it prevents any of the marks from the actual car seat itself, which is a huge fan. As you can see, there's still some, it's kind of getting everywhere, but it does have this nice rubber mesh so it won't move. And even has a little kick protector. They can put all their things in there. It easily clips up right here. You can really adjust it. And there's even a flap to tuck it in the car seat so you can get a super tight fit. But this is also waterproof, so as you know, kids can sometimes even get sick in the car. They can spill milk, and this kind of prevents anything, especially if you have cloth seats. You don't want any wetness on it.